مرحبا. اوصف لنا سنة 2020 بكلمة.
2020 2020 2020.
Describe 2020 in one word.
In one word?
Yes.
Okay, it's, what do I say? Different.
Different.
It's interesting, plenty of things to learn.
Why?
It changed permanently, probably plenty of things that we were considering as granted. It's not. It's very interesting.
That's good. That's it.
Okay, 2020 in one word. Good lesson. I guess we all learned something new and what life is about. And hopefully many of us will wake up and know what is happening and what is the real true rather than what we are being told.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
No problem. Bye bye.
So أنا بالنسبة لي 2020 هي سنة السيبريشن، خلت العالم بعاد عن بعض. الاشياء اللي احنا بنحبها نعملها اللي هي ابسط شيء انه نطلع ونسوق بسكليت صارت خلتنا نكون حريصين انه اخذين الوقايه نقدر نعمل هالشيء. بتمنى السنه الجايه تكون سنه احلى، سنه محبه ترجعنا لحياتنا الطبيعيه بلا هيدا الماسك، نقدر نعرف اهميه الاشياء اللي كنا حاصلين عليها وما نعرف قيمتها اللي هي فعلا فقدناها. ان شاء الله تكون سنه خير على الكل باذن الله.
Self introspection. It was a nice time to be with ourselves and self introspect and to just rewind your life, what is happening and what you want to do. So I think it was a nice time to be with yourself. Sorry for those who are affected with corona, but yes, for those who are keeping safe, they were having enough time for themselves.
That's very positive.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.
If you ask me to describe 2020 in one word, it is survived. Survival.
That's good.
That's about it. And I hope 2021 will be hope.
Inshallah. Hopefully it will be
Much better than last year. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
سنة 2020 أنا بسميها سنة مميزة. تعلمنا فيها كتير بالعيش بالحياة ببساطة. تعلمنا القعدة مع الأهل. وصراحة كانت 2020 كانت سنة حلوة عجبتني.
حلو. بالرغم من وجود كورونا وإن شاء الله سنة 2021 تتحسن إن شاء الله ومنعيش حياة أفضل إن شاء الله بإذن الله تعالى.
شكرا يعطيك العافية.
شكرا لك حبيبي الله يسعدك.
تشينج
حلو.
كتير صار في تغيرات في حياتي.
حلو للأحسن طبعا.
في أشياء للأحسن في أشياء للأسوأ. تخرجت شفت أهلي بس في أشياء كانت للأسوأ كمان.
يلا إن شاء الله السيء بصير أحسن إن
شاء الله. إن شاء الله.
والكويس بيظل كويس كمان على طول.
إن شاء الله للكل يا رب.
يا رب آمين.
إن شاء الله 2021 أحلى.
إن شاء الله
Thank you.
شكرا لك. يعطيك العافية.
2020 has been really challenging for many of the people, but some of them had maybe a relaxed time, working from home and being with family after a long while. As a whole, I would say it was more challenging, and some people suffered. We feel pity for them. But let's hope for the 2021 to be much more better and let the corona get away from all of the world. And good luck with your channel.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
السنة 2020 يا طويل العمر الصراحة سنة كانت عندي كم من كلمة أنا
قول.
فاختصرهم
قول ما في مشكلة.
هي سنة أكشن ومغامرة الصراحة أكشناها مع 2020 وإن شاء الله ما نأكشنها مع 2021. إن شاء الله بإذن الله.
إن شاء الله تكون خير علينا
وعليكم. إن شاء الله دام الأمور طيبة والوضع مثل ما تشايف احتراز وكل شيء موجود إن شاء الله كل شيء بيكون خير إن شاء الله بإذن الله.
آمين يا رب.
آمين يعطيك العافية وصراحة تستاهل الدعم والله.
تسلم.
والله العظيم.
الله يسعدك.
الله يجزاك خير مشكور حياك الله.
So 2020 it was very bad year for I think it was for everybody. But this is my opinion, but I think everybody think about like this also. I think.
Hopefully
It was
this year will be better.
Very bad. I hope 2021 it will be better than 2020.
Hopefully, yes. Hopefully.
Yes.
Okay.
Thanks.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
Humbling.
Oh,
Okay.
nice. Okay, thank
Good
you very
luck,
much.
Ahmed.
Thank you.
Fine.
Fine.
Boring.
Boring.
Nice.
Nice.
Awesome.
Awesome. You are awesome. Thank you. Thank you very much.
You're
Thank you.
welcome.
Testing.
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 Okay. Nice.
Thank you.
Thank you.
The challenging year.
Challenging here. Okay, good.
Good. Challenging? It's okay.
Thank
Challenging
you.
year. Thank you.
That's good. Thank you.
Exciting.
Very nice. Thank you. Thank
Welcome.
Fun.
you. Fun.
Yes.
That's good.
Yeah.
What else?
I would say little boring. I would say boring
Nice.
and like a little excited because it was a new thing.
So all positive. That's good.
Yeah.
Yeah, very good. Okay. Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you.
Challenging.
Challenging. That's good. Thank you.
Transforming.
That's good. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.